7 dreamers are the technologists creating what the world has never seen. What 7 dreamers values the most is technology in life. We create not only cutting-edge technology, but also the technology that enriches people's daily lives. Today, we present to you at CES 2017 a new innovation project by 7 dreamers. The world's first laundry folding bot, Laundroid. Yes, it is a new robot that will do your laundry folding automatically and bring a new evolution to the world to make people's lives easier. Do you know what these numbers stand for? In a lifetime, the average household of 4 members spends approximately 18,000 hours doing laundry. And half of that, 9,000 hours, are spent folding, sorting, and moving clothes to our closets. This 9,000 hours is equivalent to 375 days, which is about 1 year being taken solely by laundry work. What could you do if you had an additional 375 days in your life? For example, you can use this precious time for hobbies, sports, or social time with your loved ones. To create an additional valuable 375 days, we've developed Laundroid, spending more than 10 years in development since 2005. And now I would like to touch upon the main functions of Laundroid. Laundroid picks up the clothes, spreads, recognizes, folds, and sorts them, all automatically. It's very simple to operate. Just load your washed and dried laundry into the bottom insert box randomly, and Laundroid will do the rest. All you have to do is just press a button. You don't need to set each clothing item by hand. The world's first laundry folding bot, Laundroid, is built from a fusion of 3 key technologies: image analysis, artificial intelligence, and robotics. All the Laundroids sold worldwide will be connected by IoT through the internet. The data will be accumulated into the Laundroid core, which is AI on the 7 Dreamer server, and the accumulated data into the Laundroid core will continuously learn to improve the functions of Laundroid. Laundroid can fold almost all ordinary clothes, including shirts, pants, and towels. Laundroid does not only fold your clothes, but also sorts your folded clothes into 2 modes. The first mode is the sort by types mode. In this mode, the folded clothes will be sorted and placed into a dedicated section of each type. The second mode is sort by family member. By this mode, the folded clothes will be placed into a dedicated section for each family member. In order to use sorted by family members mode, there'll be one simple process needed. Load the specific family member's clothes into the insert box to let Laundroid automatically learn which clothes belong to who. By being able to use sorted by family members mode, the process of moving the folded clothes into each closet will be smoother. And now we will start the live demonstration of Laundroid. The size of the Laundroid that you see here today is not the actual size on the market. This is simply a demo version built strictly for CES. The actual Laundroid will be much slimmer. In today's demonstration, we will show a single shirt using the sorted by family members mode. This box under here, the insert box, is where we are going to place all of your washed and dried laundry. So as you can see, I'm just randomly throwing everything into the drawer. No rhyme or reason. Go ahead and close it. And now that it's loaded, I'm going to show you that in the middle, this is the pickup tray. This is where the folded shirt will appear once it's done. These have already been folded and are waiting to be picked up. The blue shirt today represents the father's clothes, and the red shirt will represent the mother's clothes. From the randomly inserted shirts, it will fold and sort into the specified pickup tray. If the Laundroid picks up and folds the blue shirt for the father, the folded item will be here on the left. If it picks up a red shirt, it will be on the right. And as you can observe in the screen above, there will be a special application for Laundroid to function. From this phone, the Laundroid can be operated. The interface is designed to have the image of the 7 Dreamers logo. Now let's press the button and operate Laundroid. When Laundroid is operating, the logo light will turn blue. When the folding is finished, the light will turn yellow. Now from here, let's take a look at what goes on inside Laundroid during its operations via video. First, Laundroid will pick up the shirt that is loaded inside. Now it is trying to recognize what type of clothing it is. Before Laundroid, it is said that it is highly advanced and difficult to identify soft objects such as clothing. However, Laundroid's artificial intelligence capability succeeds in recognizing the types of clothing and will be the first of its kind in the world. It appears that Laundroid has recognized the identified clothes as a t-shirt. Using multiple robotic arms, it is now starting to fold the clothes. Once it is finished folding, the clothing will be placed on the specified tray it should be placed in, as I showed earlier. So, what do you think? Don't you think that life with a Laundroid could make your life much easier? Laundroid life. We call this the near future lifestyle that Laundroid will provide, Laundroid life. It is not just a laundry folding machine or another ordinary household electronic like others. It is a new household robot that will bring evolution to every house, relieving the headaches of laundry. Users can create more free time of up to 375 days in their entire life. This is one of the few examples of what it could be like with a Laundroid in your life. If you look at the example on the left, in the morning, load your washed and dried laundry in Laundroid and go out. Come back at night and all of your laundry from the morning will be folded and sorted. Or vice versa, the example on the right, load your washed and dried laundry in the evening, and when you wake up in the morning, all laundry will be folded and sorted. Your current or previous life may look like this, but with Laundroid, you can have a lifestyle like this, a much more comfortable atmosphere. Just with the simple push of a button, your life can change dramatically, with more time to spare for anything you wish to do, and free you from thinking about the laundry work you have to finish. And now we present to you our roadmap of business schedule. Finally, this year in March, Laundroid will start to take reservations for worldwide sales. We have named the first series of Laundroid that will be introduced into homes Laundroid 1. Reservation and shipping of the product will start in 2017 based on specific countries' regulations. Reservations are first come, first served basis. The Laundroid 1 will be slimmer in size than this demo version that we have today. The design concept for the Laundroid 1 will be a design that will fit into any type of house. And in addition, it will have the smartphone app. Laundroid 1 will have the completed version of the hardware, and it will be equipped with the Laundroid OS 1.0 version beta software, which is in the final process of development. Software update of the OS installed in Laundroid 1 will be done from time to time, so users can always experience the latest features. This upcoming March, we will hold a new product presentation at the time of reservation and sales for Laundroid 1. But moving forward into the future, in 2018, we will announce the launch of Laundroid for nursing care facilities and hospitals. In 2019, the Laundroid All-in-One. Laundroid integrated with a washing machine and dryer that will combine washing, drying, folding, and sorting. In 2020, the Laundroid Home Built-In, a premium option for smart homes. The Laundroid will be built into the walls of houses and will perform washing, drying, folding, sorting, and then the folded and sorted clothes will be automatically transferred and stored into the closets for each room. This is the roadmap of Laundroid. Last but not least, we would like to introduce our wonderful partners who are working on commercialization of Laundroid to make all of this happen. We made a business alliance last year with Panasonic, a global leading electronics manufacturing company, and with Daiwa House, a global house builder. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. The Laundroid seems to have finished its job in folding and sorting one t-shirt. Let's open and see what the folded clothes look like. So today, in this demonstration, it has chosen a men's shirt, the blue shirt. As you can see, it was placed on the left-hand side, the dedicated tray that we spoke about. But I want you all to pay attention to how nice of a folding job this is. Would anyone like to see it up close? I know that this is a much better job of folding a t-shirt than I would do, and probably most of you that are here in the room. Who wouldn't like to have your drawers looking so neat and tidy with shirts being pressed this lovely every day? It was back in 2005, the thought of developing Laundroid came up. Over 10 years of development, we have finally come to the stage to present the launch here at CES. We 7 dreamers wish to create a better and easier lifestyle for everyone around the world with a Laundroid. We hope for continued support and expectation of the future. This is now the end of the live demonstration, and we thank you so much for spending some time with us today here at CES.